Finishing the installation of supports. Start each new row by installing the outermost support. Apply the support clamp, the support profile, and the bracket. Align the position of the bracket with the cord and screw it down permanently. Every time you apply the support profiles, remember to use the support clamps. Then prepare the same set and set it on the fourth bracket. Apply the gauge to the upper brackets and pre-screw the right bracket with 2 screws. In this way, you obtain the outermost supports for the new panel. At this stage, it is necessary to verify the diagonals. Always check them for the first panel in a new row. After making sure that the diagonals are identical, screw the bracket permanently to the roof. Complete the remaining supports for the new panel by screwing the brackets permanently. Now you can complete the entire row of supports up to the outermost edge of the roof. Then, fill the entire roof with supports following the principles presented so far. Always install the supports in rows. After completing the installation of the supports, remove the cord and the screws that mark the outermost lines for the installation. Seal the holes that remain in the membrane with a reparation tape.